Well, I gotta tell you, soldering this heater core back together is quite a challenge. You chase one leak and you end up with 10. The core does not actually have tubes running through it. It's merely corrugated, very thin copper strips that are dip soldered on these top edges here. Right there, all these are joints. So you just barely kiss it with a flame and it can open up on you. And they are a bear cat to get clean. Tried several different types of flux, tried to actually kill acid, muriatic acid with zinc dissolved in it, and we might be getting there, we might not. Tough. But gotta have a challenge once in a while, so more later.